Hey guys, this is another really good healthy recipe that I'm making, and it's the 20-minute turkey bean spinach soup recipe. It doesn't seem like it would be as good as it is, but trust me, it is very good and very healthy. So basically what you need is 2 tablespoons. You can use extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. A pound of ground turkey. A medium yellow onion, which I usually use about half of it, but that's up to you if you want to use the whole thing. It calls for a clove of minced garlic, but I'm allergic to fresh garlic, so I use garlic powder. And I use 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And it also calls for a pinch of red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of great northern beans, rinsed and drained. It calls for 8 ounces of baby spinach, but I use the regular spinach and I use the entire bag. 3 cups of chicken broth, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, which I don't have out here, I forgot. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat your oil in your pot over medium-high heat, and you're gonna brown the turkey and the onion in it, the red pepper, the garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. And once that's all browned up, you're going to add your oregano, basil, tomatoes, and beans. Then you'll reduce the heat to medium-low, and then you'll add the spinach, and then you'll put the lid over it and cover it until the spinach is all wilted. Then you're gonna add in your chicken broth and you're gonna stir it all up, and then you just up the heat to medium and you cook till it's all heated through. And then when it's done, you remove it from the heat, and then you just stir in your half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese on the top, and it'll get like a light pink color, the juice. And then when it's all done, when you put it, plate it up, you just top it with more Parmesan cheese on the plate, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Trust me, it's delicious. You're gonna wanna try it. This is what the recipe looks like. No, I never forgot. Say bye. Junior, say bye.